So, Dan, what's happening here today?
I think there might be some concrete going in the floor.
Cool. Good milestone to get to this stage.
Yeah, for sure. So they're going to pour starting the back, doing the last house, and they're going to come and do the garages here first.
Yep.
So that way it has a better chance to go off quicker and get the better finish on it because they're not covered.
It's pretty cold this morning.
It's not too bad, but could be a bit. Yeah, could have a bit more wind would help the concrete go off a little bit. The concrete guy was telling us that the cold stays within the pods, like when there's ice on the pods, and that stops the chemical reaction or slows it down. So sometimes that's why it takes a lot longer for the concrete to go off.
Yeah.
So we're on site pouring.
So just looking at the foundation here, I always look at these things and it's quite interesting, what jobs around town have edge insulation and what don't. And we've been doing that for 15 years, but it's just starting to gain a bit of traction. But obviously this job here, this is the garage, so we don't need that. And then the other ones, it looks like there's no insulation inserted, but that's going to be added later, isn't it?
Correct, on the side of it. So,
so how does that work?
So basically they glue and we'll shoot it on with some mechanical fasteners, and then that'll get plastered over. We had the council inspection here yesterday, so he was looking at the plumbing, engineer sign off as well, so they're looking at the structural side of things.
Yeah.
So the slabs where the underfloor is, they're 125 mil thick as opposed to the standard 100.
Yep.
Because the underfloor heating pipes are sitting on top of the mesh.
Yeah, it looks like they've got 100 mil underneath the pods, 100 mil of insulation under the pods.
Yeah, that's
I can see the leftover material over there.
Yeah. So the council actually came along yesterday afternoon and had a training group here as well for new inspectors. So it was a good job.
That's why the report was so comprehensive.
Yeah. So that was a separate one to the other inspection, but they had a group of trainees, I guess.
Yeah.
And such a good site to look at, really.
Yeah. Well, it's going to be an exemplar project from the ground up, really, isn't it? And we'll share all their knowledge, all the ways that we're doing things differently to make super homes.
Yeah.